Thank you. Again, guys, we are today, inshallah, we'll take lesson 12, page 871. Convert metric units of mass. Convert metric units of mass. Now, in the previous lesson, we took customary units of mass. If you remember, of mass, customary units. If you remember, we took IB, pounds, OZ, ounce, big T, ton. So these we call them customary units of mass. Today we'll take metric units of mass, which are 3 units. mg, g, and kg. mg means milligram. G means gram. kg means kilogram. These units, we call them metric units of mass, and we use them here in our lives a lot. Kilogram, gram, milligram, okay? But the customary units of mass, which we took before, pounds, ounce, ton. Today we have milligram, gram, and kilogram. So these are the units which we will talk about today, the metric units of mass. Now we have two relationships between these units, guys. The first one, which you need to know, is each 1 gram equals 1,000 milligram. Each 1 gram equals 1,000 milligram. Relation 2 is each 1 kilogram equal 1,000 gram. So these are the 2 units which we need to know, the 2 relation which we need to know about the metric units of mass. Each 1 gram, 1,000 milligram. Each 1 kilogram, 1,000 gram. Easy relations. Now, we know from the previous lessons that the unit with 1 is bigger, means 1 gram is bigger than 1 milligram, and 1 kilogram is bigger than 1 gram. So if we turn it from bigger to smaller, here from gram to milligram or from kilogram to gram, we multiply by 1,000. If we turn it from smaller to bigger, from milligram to gram or from gram to kilogram, we divide by 1,000. Don't forget that. Our idea or our strategy to turn between units, we did that too much before. From bigger to smaller, we multiply. And from smaller to bigger, we divide, as we did always. So 3 units of metric units for mass, milligram, gram, kilogram. 2 relations, 1 gram, 1,000 milligram, 1 kilogram, 1,000 gram. From bigger to smaller, multiply. From smaller to bigger, divide. Now let's take some exercises. I will solve for you the first 4 questions on page 872. So I'm on page 872. I'll do questions 1, 2, 3, and 4. Question 1, complete 5,000 milligram to gram. 5,000 milligram, I want to turn it to gram. Question 2, 5 kilogram, I want to turn it to gram. 5 kilogram, I want to turn it or convert it to gram also. Question 3 on this page, 4,000 gram to kilogram. 4,000 gram to kilogram. And the last one in this page is 9 gram to milligram. 9 gram, I want to turn it to milligram. These 4 questions are in your book, page 872. I will do them as examples. Now, how we turn between these units, guys? We use these 2 relations here. Let's see the first one. I want to turn it from milligram to gram. The first one, from milligram to gram, from smaller to bigger. And from smaller to bigger, I divide. Divide by what? Divide this number by the number in the formula, means 5,000. 5,000 divided by 1,000, which is equal to 5. Cross the zeros. Question 2, I want to turn from kilogram to gram. From kilogram to gram, from bigger to smaller, I multiply by thousands. So here I'll multiply 5, multiply 1,000, it is equal to 5,000. Question 3, I want to turn it from a gram to kilogram. From a gram to kilogram, from smaller to bigger, I divide by 1,000. So here 4,000 divided by 1,000 equal 4. Cross the zeros. Question 4, I want to turn from a gram to milligram. From a gram to milligram. Here, gram to milligram, bigger to smaller, multiply by 1,000. 9 times 1,000 equals 9,000. These are 4 questions in page 872, and I was solving them to tell you how we use these 2 relations in completing or turning or converting between units. Hope you wrote each for these 4 questions, guys. Wrote them. Write them, please. Write them, please. Now let's go to page 873 together. 873. Question 5. Kareem.
Yes, Mr.
Read.
Gram equal gram.
Again.
2,000 milligram equal gram.
2,000 milligram. How much in a gram? Tell me.
Divide 2,000 milligram.
So I want to turn it from milligram to gram, صح?
Yes.
Yeah, from milligram to gram, what I will do?
2,000 divide 1,000.
ممتاز. 2,000 divided by 1,000 from smaller to bigger. So here 2,000 divided by 1,000. How much?
2.
It is 2. Cross the zeros. It is 2. So 2,000 milligram equals 2 gram. صح? But question 5. Sorry, 6. On page 873 we are, guys. Question 6, Muhannad.
Yes, Mr.
Really?
Question 6. 80 gram equals in milligram.
80 gram. How much in milligram? Yes. So when I turn it from a gram to milligram, from a gram to milligram, what I will do?
You will divide it on 1,000.
No, it is wrong. I want to turn it from a gram to milligram, means I'm going from bigger to smaller, which is not dividing, it is multiplying by 1,000. So here we have 80 multiplied by 1,000 equals...
Equal 80,000.
We multiply 8 by 1, guys. 8, and we put all zeros, remember?
80,000, yes.
80,000 milligram. This is question 6. Question 7. Ziad.
Yes, Mr. Question 7, 0.75 kilogram equal milligram.
0.75 kilogram. How much in gram, right?
Yeah.
Good. So look
No,
here. We
milligram,
want to
milligram, sorry, milligram.
ركز يا ابني. Milligram. So we want to turn from kilogram to where? To milligram.
Milligram.
Let's see the relations. Let's see the relations. Yeah. I want to turn from kilogram to milligram. Do we have a relation between kilogram and milligram together?
No.
So here, guys, the question wants us to turn from kilogram to milligram, but we don't have a relation between kilogram and milligram. So what we will do, yeah, Ziad, what I can do to turn from kilogram to milligram?
We will turn from kilogram to gram, then to milligram.
Good. So first, I will use relation 2. I will turn the kilogram to gram. Then I will turn the gram to milligram. So here I'm using more than one relation. Do you understand it?
Yeah.
So the first step is to turn the kilogram to gram, then from gram to milligram, the answer, right? How we turn from kilogram to gram, yeah, Ziad?
0.75 multiply 1,000.
We multiply from kilogram to gram, we multiply by 1,000, bigger to smaller. So the first step, I will solve it down here, not here, here. So 0.75 multiply 1,000, because I'm turning the kilogram first to where? To gram. Yeah, how we multiply? Remember, we multiply decimal with 1 with zeros, remember? Powers of 10 we call them. What we do?
We will the decimal, we will ignore it.
No, we will not ignore the decimal. How we multiply by powers of 10, guys? Who can tell me? The decimal by powers of 10. We did that before. Omar. Focus, Ziad.
We move the decimal.
Where we move it?
Right.
Up or down? Huh?
Right.
To the right. How many digits we will move it to the right?
3.
3 digits, exactly. Remember, Ziad?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have 3 zeros here. We push the decimal to the right 3 digits. I have 2 digits. What I will do?
We'll push it to the right 3 digits. It will be 750.
Exactly. We add 0 here. It will be 750. 750 what? Milligram or gram? Gram. Because the first step, I'm turning the kilogram to gram, so it will be gram. Do I finish the question?
No.
No. Now the second step, to find the answer, I want to turn the gram to where? To milligram, using this relationship. How we turn the gram to milligram, ya Ziad?
750 multiply 1,000.
We multiply by 1,000. So here, the second step, I want to turn the gram to milligram by 750 gram multiply 1,000. It will be what? We multiply the numbers. 75 by 1, 75. Then we put all the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Yeah, right. It will be 7.
So the answer is 7, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 75,000 milligram. So here, guys, I use 2 steps, not 1 step. Why? Because I don't have relationship between kilogram and milligram in mine here. So I use the 2 relationships. First, turn the kilogram to gram, then take the answer and turn it to milligram. Using the same way, same strategy. This is question 7. Copy it, please. Copy the 2 steps down here so you understand it. Please. Copy, guys, please. Let's do question 8. Let's do question 8. Omar,
6 kilograms, how much equal to gram?
again, Balla.
6 kilogram
6
much?
kilogram. How much in
gram.
gram? Yeah. Do we have relationship between kilogram and the gram?
Yes, it is
The
from
second one. Yeah. What we will do?
bigger to smaller, so we'll divide.
From bigger to smaller, we divide. No, you are wrong. From bigger to smaller, we multiply. Okay?
Okay.
From bigger to smaller, we multiply by 1000, not divide. Focus, Habibi. So here, what I will do, tell me, yalla.
So we will multiply 6 multiply 1000
How
equals
much?
6000.
6,000 gram. This is question 8. Question 9. زيد ضياء. Put your hands, guys. ليش ما بتشاركوا؟ طيب ماشي عشان بس الدرجات ها. Question 9. يلا يا زيد.
Yes, Mr. Question
يلا
9 will
question
take
9.
from gram to kilogram.
What are the numbers يا ابني الله يسعدك؟
Okay. 3,100
3,100 what?
gram. Sorry.
ركز يا ابني واقرا يلا equal
Kilogram.
يلا 200 from gram to kilogram. What we will do? Tell me.
Smaller to bigger, divide.
So from smaller to bigger, I will divide by 1000. يلا let's divide.
Yes. 3,100 divided.
100 divided by 1000. What's the answer? Do you know?
No, I think, wait. I think we skip the zeros, 2 zeros.
Cross the 2 zeros here and here, then divide 31
Yes.
by 10. It will be 3.1. 3.1 kilogram. Okay?
Okay.
This is question 9, guys. And we will stop here. We'll stop at this point. Okay? Don't do the homework, guys. We'll take the lesson tomorrow. We'll continue in this lesson and we'll do the homework together because you have exams these days. So don't do the homework. Just focus on your exams. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will finish this lesson. We'll do more exercises and we'll do the homework together. So you are free of doing the homework. Thank you so much. And tomorrow, inshallah, we'll continue from question 9 and finish the lesson and the homework together. Goodbye.